We'll guide you through how to add an account in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website by typing in mail.google.com. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, you should see your currently signed-in account. In the top right corner, you'll find your profile picture or initials. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Add another account and click on it. This will take you to a Google sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address of the account you want to add. If you don't have another account yet, you can click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set up a new Gmail account. After entering the email address, click Next, and you'll be prompted to enter the password for that account. Once you've entered the correct information, click Next again, and you'll be signed into the additional Gmail account. You can switch between accounts by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting the account you want to use. This is particularly useful if you're managing multiple email addresses for different purposes. Remember, you can always sign out of any account by selecting Sign Out from the same drop-down menu. And that's it. You've successfully added an account in Gmail and can now easily manage multiple accounts from one place. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.